I am Nicola Ambler, the co-founder of the CGT Circle, which is a networking group for women in cell and gene therapy, and exists to bring together the women of our industry and kind of realise their collective power. This morning I chaired a panel entitled "Where are all the women in leadership?" We discussed some of the barriers to career progression for women in our field, as well as some of the microaggressions that are faced and the toxic cultures that sometimes are faced by women. We discussed imposter syndrome as well, how it needs a rebrand, and it's not not something wrong with you. In fact, it's an opportunity to grow and be comfortable with the uncomfortable. We also discussed how we can empower women, companies, male allies to increase female leadership across the board. To increase female leadership across the CGT field, there are a number of things that we could work towards. At the CGT Circle, we actually did a survey across our members to find out what they wanted to see from their employers and their organisations. By far and away, the top answer was to have an equal pay, close the gender pay gap. Also, flexible working was something that figured quite highly, which isn't just a female-centric issue, but actually can help people across the board to have more flexibility in their lives and strike a work-life balance. So that's something that we'd want to see. The CGT Circle has had an impact on me personally. I have absolutely met some incredible women, some friends for life, and expanded my network personally. But in terms of our members, I think that it has shown them the value of networking, and that actually is space for everybody to network and to grow and cultivate their own networks to help progress their careers. We have hosted nearly 17 events to date. One was last night, hosted by PA Consulting, and it was a great way to really begin the conference, to bring together over 80 women in the field to discuss mentorship and also to then the next day have familiar faces and have some connections when you walk into what can be quite a daunting environment of a huge professional conference. So I think it's having an impact day to day and also at these big events as well.